Ooh, good morning. Man, look at that. Complete silence when I don't talk. That's fresh and new. Thanks to our new friend who came yesterday and gave me all those good tips on audio. What up, Tuna? Bear with me as I get started and infuse myself with the necessary caffeine required for this. That's nice. How are you, Tuna? You have a good evening. Good night's rest. Do you sleep well? There's two kinds of people in the world. Those who do not sleep, and those who sleep a lot. I used to be one of the kinds that slept well. I get like 6 hours a night, which is, if I get 6, that's like, whoa, what a good night's sleep. But I think my body wants a little more. Need more caffeine. Oh yeah, I can't do tomorrow because I have a 9-year-old son. No. I'm sorry that you don't get the sleep you need, but wonderful 9-year-old, like bringing you joy. There's that. Excuse me. All right. I want to pick up right where I left off yesterday, which was, I was working on that GUI stuff for a bit, and I don't remember what exactly I left. So I do need to do a little recap. 5-year-old, oh, you have a 9 and a 5-year-old, that's right. Sleeps fine when he sleeps. Yeah, there is like a point where a kid sleeps less, right? Like a kid at a certain age, the younger the kid is, they'll actually sleep more. But then when the kid becomes that certain age, they're just like, waking life, yo. I want to be up late. I want to wake up early, you know. But reading at 10, that's so nice. It's such a nice thing. What do I need to do? I need to... Oh, let's consult the list. Or usually if I come to Visual Studio, I'll see the last script I have open and be like, oh yeah, that's what I was doing. So, looks like the last thing I did was I removed this print. I guess I did just do the input system. And he complains he's too tired. Oh, you know what? I read that as like he woke up and was reading at 10 o'clock in the morning. He was up late reading. I see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure sleep is the #1 most important thing to stay healthy. You just need sleep. I've seen what happens to people who deprive themselves of sleep, and it's not pretty. So yeah, today I'm going to do a shorty because I have to rush out of the house at about 8:30, 8:45 Pacific time. So we'll go for about 2 hours, or maybe I'll go for an hour and a half. Get a few things done. 9. Oh, not. So my God. So I said 9 years, didn't I? I read that wrong. 9 months. 9 months sleeping on my chest right now. Very jealous. What do you mean we should be jealous of you? You have a child beautifully sleeping on your chest. Nice. I don't like how these trees grow rampant. Like this amount of growth takes like 4 days. It's too quick. I mean, I always intended to make it slower, but also these trees shouldn't be spawning so many seeds next to themselves. They track it and go, oh, there's already 2 trees next to me. I won't spawn a third. I'm surprised that that's happening. All right, so I'm using keyboard controls right now, and this thing is still on. It's so annoying. I don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and throw that event like ASAP. Or maybe I'll reach out. Maybe I'll just have that GUI reach out once on start. It doesn't have to throw an event. It'll just like say, hey, what's my starting state? I think that might be the best thing. Let's do that. So it's just, yeah, this guy. It's a cute little on start, you know? Sometimes you need sleep to come up with those genius solutions. One line of code to solve your problems. It's probably not the best. I really should be throwing a starting event. There's going to be other things I need to know. It's like the buttons in the corner, yeah. Also, it didn't work. Possible that I need the input system to start true. We are true until proven false. Well, that works. And that thing's already up. Alright. That's good enough for me, right? Do I even want to test the controller right now? Nah. boy. Let's assume it works. Because it worked yesterday. So, move on with our lives. Properly initialize the game starting controller scheme. I want to half check that. I'm just gonna check it off the list for now. Turn off weather effects indoors or limit it to the outer bounds of the building. That's a toughie. That is a toughie because I do want that. I want it to be outer bounds only, but the way my weather system is, it's just the particle system that's parented to the camera. And is it parented to the camera or parented to the player? Let's see. Weather system. So follow target player. Yeah, I don't want it to follow the player. What if the camera moves away from the player? It's always camera based. Follow position. Well, first thing I'll do is I'll have the weather system listen for location events. And then when we enter a new location, I'll check if it's indoors, and then I'll just hide it. Eventually I'll have sound effects, and I'll keep the sound effects going. I just won't keep the visual going. So, weather system. We don't listen to anything. We do. We listen to day tick and location events already. Okay. We're already listening to location events. And if the location event is entered, we start the weather. Okay. Okay. And if wait a minute. I triggered the start of a weather event in the weather system. Who listens for weather events? Oh, I think the lighting system listens for weather events, and it changes the lighting based on the weather. Okay. And then I also just want to if e.location equals indoors. Indoors. Interior scene. Okay. Interior scene. Then current weather type. Hot. Current weather. Oh, get weather style. Weather style dot. Particle effect. Set active. We're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah. So I don't need this. I just do this. Okay. Check that out. It's mega rain. Compiler errors? No. Why do you need semicolons? Seriously. Leave me alone with your dang need for semicolons. Alright, we're almost awake. This is great. I would still prefer the weather to snap to something that's out of bounds. Maybe that's not even so hard. I can have the locations reference a transform that represents out of bounds. And then have the weather snap to that. Oh, weather system did not like not happy. Oh. Okay. Well, let's just hop in the town hall, see what happens. So, okay. It's still foggy. That's funny. The fog is inside too. Someone on Instagram saw a video and they were like, the walls really need to disappear when you're behind them. And they're technically right. Maybe there's a better solution. I don't really, I mean, I have a whole wall disappearing system, but it's not based on like ability of the camera. And it only works in the in system. I don't know. Could have like just room colliders that trigger the hiding and unhiding of these walls. Then the walls need to be like, I need 2 states. Ah, oh, what a pain. I mean, I do have this convenient wood paneling, which I could cut it off from. I just don't do that right now. Low priority. Thanks, Instagram, but I can't do that right now. It looks like I was changing my camera in there, but it wasn't changing. But then it was changing it out here. I think I need to listen and only change the camera when this main camera is active. That's very low priority. Okay. So the weather is definitely turning off and turning back on. That's fine. Oops. Pitch deck. Why do I have a pitch deck open? Let's see. Let's try an out of bounds thing solution. So I'll check out town hall. So it shouldn't be that hard. Just every interior needs a safe location. It is out of bounds. Town hall. This. And let's just turn on the weather effects. Do they have consistent spawn sizes? Let's see. Oh, not at all. Oh my god. Let's make it consistent, shall we? So, the shape of it. 32 by 30, or 30, let's just get 35 by 35. Okay, and it's not right now. And then snow. Snow is just fucking friggin' ginormous. 25 by 7. Does it need that? Oh, I think it does actually. I think it does need that because since it goes so slow. Oh my god, and it lives forever. It does not need that long of a lifespan. What's wrong with me? Starting life 8? 5? How much is getting cut off? 3? Oh, that's so much more efficient. Okay. So I think I have it this big because it falls so slowly that I can run to the end before it reaches the ground, which means it needs a larger radius. So I can't do like one single snapping point unless I can grab this Y bounds and then just half the distance and snap it from the edge. Let's see. I don't like any of these options. I might need like, oh, you know what I'll do? I'll just have a second emitter that's like snow interior. And then that'll always be the same. Excuse me. That's not a terrible idea. Let's do it with rain first. We'll test it with rain. Rain simple. Interior. Do I want it in front of the building or behind the building? I think it's confusing if it's in front because it still might look like it's inside. So what I'll do is test it both ways. What am I doing? I'm like trying to drag it in the scene. Stupid. I'm just gonna put it here for now. And I won't activate it or anything. I'll just put it in the scene and see what works. I can make this shape like 3. I just want like a thin sheet of rain. Oh, this one has a crazy lifespan too. Lifetime, 1 second. 25 seconds? Yeah. And every interior is different, so I might as well just make this really big to cover a bunch. And hopefully hopefully my interiors don't really get much bigger than that. And this one they should not follow the target. So do not follow position. Okay. And let's test it. I feel like this is still low priority. Mike Lombardo. It's raining orange soda. Yeah, man. How we do it here? Good morning. How are you? It's Mike. It's Mike. It's raining. Oh wait, it doesn't matter. So if I like run into the building, it goes away. Can you like I can tell that it's not raining in the building. You know, I see that none of the raindrops are technically falling through the floor. I could see that with my eyes. Can you see that? Does it feel like that to you? Morning, friends. Or do I need to put the rain on the outer edges of the building? Like, what do I gotta do here to make this nice? Keep the game running. And I'll move this outside. I know it's raining because I go back here. But like, enough. Is there a way to have a cutout? Like, can I emit from something and boolean it? What are these buttons? This looks like changing the shape. Emit from volume shell. Oh, if I emit from the shell, then it's like emitting from... Oh, but no, because the shell is this flat plane, so essentially the same thing as emitting from volume. There's no difference, unless I had like a torus. What are some other shapes? I guess I can emit from mesh and make custom mesh, but that's horrible. I don't want to do that per environment. Emit from rectangle. Okay. That's probably the same as just a flattened cube. What's edge? That's just a single edge. Rectangle, no. Yeah, it's not gonna work out. Because I'd love it if I can just do this and then it only emitted from the edges of the emitter. How cool would that be? Be right back. Meeting. Go enjoy your meeting. Sub emitters, rails. Possible I can add a collider. Like I could do that. Possible I can add this collider. Or do this and then add a... Yeah, can I add a collision in the middle? That kills it. You know? Applied force. Min kill speed. Max kill speed. Radius scale. Collision quality. You know what I mean? I just want to like... I want to put a big cube. Make it... Let's see if I can look that up. We'll Google together. Kill unity particle on collision. Destroy single... Enable collision module in particle system and set life loss change to 1. Life loss? Oh, life loss. It is set to 1. Okay. Okay. So let's try that. So if I do this, let me set this life back to like 0.6. Oh, the game's still running. Whoops. That's a bad thing to do. All right, I think this is gonna be good. So then I just need to like make a big emitter. I just need to like manage one collider right underneath the rain. Snap to whatever. I gotta snap the interior rain to the location, which is the center of this zone. And then manage the size of that collider inside each scene. It's gonna be amazing. Let's start by, let's put this back where I liked it, right here. Start it. I mean, yeah. Huge, and it should cover most interior. Like, I don't have big interiors, so. I'll probably need another bool that, like, interiors with weather effects and then interiors with no weather effects, because, you know, if I do caves, I don't want rain outside the caves, you know. I will need to manage that. Baby steps. Baby steps. I need, oh, you know what? I'll do this here, 30. lifespan 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.7. Okay. And now make just a collider, just a 3D cube. Call it the weather blocker. And I don't need a mesh renderer. Move. Move. And I just want to match the size of this room. It's basically 19, or else let's round it up to 20 because I like nice round numbers. 20 by 10. Not too big. 19 by 11. Oh, perfect. Ooh, that feels good. Height, and then 28 by 0, 1, and say 25. Well, that's strange. The height of this is 30. Oh, because it's scaled. Why is it scaled so funny? It's really only up by 10. Say y is 9. Now, you know, I'm pretty sure collisions won't work in editor, which I'm not expecting them to, but we've done our homework correctly. We should not have, I mean, yeah, collisions were already enabled. Like, things are already dying on impact. Funny. Lifetime loss. Can I just make this? All right, so it is 0 to 1. It should already be destroying. Let's see if that worked. Oh, that'd be nice. So oh wait, we don't need it to rain. It'll already rain. Okay. Totally works. It totally works. Look at that. It rains out there. It rains out there. It does not rain in here. Okay. I dig it. Let's just look at it in action. So yeah, we can feel that there's no rain going on in here. I feel it. You don't really see it when you don't have it selected. But it's working. All right, so now all I need to do is figure out a wonderful system for just snapping the weather to the center of the interior scenes. Also, I need to figure out why I'm getting all these null ref exceptions. I think it's because particle effect doesn't always equal something. Also, current weather type doesn't always return something. Not true. It does. It's just, yeah. It's a sunny day. It's gonna throw a null. So. And instead of toggling the weather effect there, I should, oh, look at that. Still threw a null. Ooh, it looks like the day ended and I went into the next scene at the same moment. That's not good. That's never happened before. The timing required to do that is pretty incredible. So yeah, it's still upset because there's no weather effects. And it's, well, yeah, it's always gonna rain in there. It always rains in town hall. Maybe I'll just leave that. But this can't be null because it's an enum. It's gotta be something. And then, saying weather equals null here? Weather equals... Yeah, I'm always returning something. It's almost like, this doesn't care. I'm actually going to do it to the weather style. The weather style. Start weather. And it's going to just be called toggle. Come back, Mike. Toggle effects. And then just do it here. And then I'll check here if it's null. Or, you know what, I love checking for the opposite and then bouncing. I love doing coding gates. Dot set active equals top. Okay, it's better. What I miss? We're working on rain. We're gonna get the weather to look nice in the interiors when it rains. You don't want it to rain inside the building, but you still want rain on the edges. Purple rain, baby. Yeah, pretty much. So that's what we're doing. What are you doing? How are you? You should have it rain purple on Prince's birthday and he scoots. Yeah, it's pretty funny. I like the idea that maybe it's raining a certain color and that means a certain thing. Actually, I'm gonna put that on the list. Even though that annoyed me. Your wacky idea, because I'm too tired this morning. I still like it enough to put it on the list. That's how grumpy I am. Colored rain. Indicating game event. You did wear me down. I'm just like so defeated. I was actually considering not making coffee this morning too. I'm like, you know what? Maybe I don't need coffee. Maybe I can get by without the need to caffeinate, and impossible. Oh, look, no errors. No errors. We got rain on the edges. Edges only. It's pretty good. Dig it. I put so much effort into his room only because it's part of the trailer. And then the rest of everything is just like... Oh. Nick! Are we really supposed to believe only hot people play Call of Duty? Talking about the ad you're watching? They really should be checking the type of game being worked on before showing an ad. What are all these awful prints? Started. Okay. So, yeah. we got a good solution on how to make it look good. We just need to turn it into a system that we don't have to control. Does anyone have any thoughts on my content? Yeah, we love your YouTube video. It's great. It's great editing. It's great narration. Love the montages where you just let the visuals speak for themselves. You know, it looks like you've learned a thing or two. Keep going. Keep making those. You got 46 views. Pretty good. Learn from watching the best. What, like PewDiePie? You guys like PewDiePie? Wow. I subscribed with both my accounts. Gonzo is a cutie. Great content. I agree. El Loquito. Nico Nini. Just don't give a fuck. I made a PewDiePie for Thanksgiving. Could you go to the analytics of your YouTube channel and tell us the top 3 countries that watch your video? Whoa. Whoa, something happened yesterday. I got 6 wish lists yesterday, which is unusual. I usually average 2 a day. And yesterday I got 6, which means, it's not a big means, but it means somewhere something happened. You know? Something happened out there. I'll take it. There's like an indie dev marketing guru out there. He's kind of like a cult leader for indie game devs, and he was doing a Reddit Ask Me Anything yesterday, and there was like 150 comments before I saw it. I'm like, he'll never get to me. I posted my comment, and then I sorted by, the timestamp of the post, and he replied to every single person. And I saw he replied to the person before me. And I'm like, oh, I must be next. He'll answer my question. That's nice. And then like 3 hours goes by, and the last person he commented was the person right before me. I'm like, that's just my luck. But then 3 hours and 1 minute later, boom, he started answering more questions. I'm like, oh my god, that's amazing. Thank you. And he confirmed my suspicions that my game is not a dud. I need to keep going, but I need to release the demo and get real analytics from people. Chile, America, and El Salvador. Are those real? Nick, what are they? Yeah, I think a video needs like 100 views to give you that. But it also needs time to process, and you only posted it yesterday, so there's also that. All right. So I just need a way to snap locations, or a snap to interior centers. So let's add something to the location system. So location scene, waypoints. I'll just add it here, like public or private game object or transform weather snap location, and then serialize field. So if this is not null, then the weather system should snap effect. So particle effect And then I need like a public game object interior particle effect. So I have 2. I can't even see where my subscribers are. I can't find the tab. You go to subscribers right here in analytics. You scroll down, then you hit see more, and then you can see geography, cities, viewer age. My viewer gender 100% male. 100% male. And I really don't even think I'm making a game that is male based. It's just maybe it's my logo. Maybe it's not like unbiased enough. That's okay though. Things will happen if they were meant to be. I don't need to mark it specifically right now. So I want just a simple transform here. Weather blocker. And then I want basically a weather snap point. Oh, you know what I could do is I could just make the blocker just part of it. And all I need to do is lower this. Oh no, I need to raise it. So I need to make this 9. Pop this down to 0. And then this is also my weather snap point. And then here I can go to weather snap location, weather snap point, and then in the weather system I need interior versions of everything. So summer rain needs rain simple interior. Fall rain needs rain simple interior. Oops, no. Excuse me. So, oh, it's Thanksgiving. Does anyone have any fun Thanksgiving plans they'd like to share? I'm talking top of the line enjoyment. Tanoshi desu. Fun plans. Please, share your plans. Wait, snow. I need a snow interior. Oh, puppy girl. You down there? You know, the unfortunate thing with the updated microphone enhancements, now you're not going to be able to hear it when the dog snores. Dog snores are going to be clipped out. I'm sorry. Is it worth it? Should I actually take off all that enhancement so we can hear it when the dog snores? You tell me. So I just need to make this big enough. Oh, I love that. I love how there's a delay. This is fun. Oh. 8. Do 100. 100. It should be big enough in all instances. I don't think I'll have interiors much bigger than the town hall. Weather system. Interior. Oh god. I might sneeze 100 times because that's how I do. That would be annoying. Please, please, body, don't make me sneeze 100 times. So instead of toggling effects, and what I really want to do is I want to configure interior weather. So if the particle effect is null, back out. If it's not, check if interior particle effect equals null. Excuse me. So interior location. Actually, I just want to pass the whole, excuse me. I just want to pass the whole location because I need a few things. And then, yeah, so what I actually want to do now is grab this, pass the location. And interior, it's just any, it's not interior, it's just location. If location interior scene, then basically set this to false, and then I want to check to see if has interior weather. So interior scene, public bool, interior weather enabled. And I'll set that to true. I want them all to start with, yeah, I want all interiors to have weather enabled. I'll manually turn it off for the interiors that don't, like the mines. So, ooh, Unity, so much compiling. So caves, actually, cave entrance. Nope. Cave scene, nope. Location cave. So interior weather enabled. Nope. That's the only interior that. Oh, in the basement. Basement. So should the weather happen in the basement? On the outskirts of the basement. Should there be weather? Yeah, there should. Okay. What am I thinking? Of course there should be. I might as well make this a prefab? Nah, I'll just copy and paste it. It's a cube. The box collider. It's no big deal. Not a big deal. Alright. So in the weather system, first check if these are null, and then return. But before I check for the interior particle effect, I'm trying to do this in as little lines of code as possible. And I have a few things I need to check for. I'll just keep it wordy for now, whatever. If location is an interior scene, we want to hide the main particle effect. And then if location dot interior weather enabled, then interior particle effect dot set active equals true. So here I also want to interior particle effect dot set active. I'll just initially set it off. So then here I need to set both off. Okay. Interior particle effect is true. Okay, if it's not an interior scene, else. Then set this back to true. And then set this to false. And then it didn't, I don't know why it didn't like care that I had these question marks there before. It seemed to still fail, which was pretty annoying. Oh, it looks like I'm doing checks here. If particle effect. So I'll just... yeah, I'll just do this everywhere. Whatever. Okay. It's wordy. Whatever. Oof. So what is a better way to do this? This is horrible. If it's interior scene, then don't do that. So now that's just is or it isn't. And I don't need this one. And then this one is if it's an interior scene and interior weather name. So it's an interior scene and interior weather enabled. Okay. Right. All right. So I got it down to that many lines. And then now I don't need these because I'm already checking if they're null. And then, yeah, if the question marks did work, I could put them here and then not even have this, but I don't know. For some reason, it didn't work. Oh. Is that everything? Oh, the snapping. I didn't do the snapping. So I need to set it active and then set snapping. If location. So, oh no, this is not the location. So it's the location scriptable object. It's not the reference to the scene object. Do I even have that? E.area? Scene, hotspot, location. Oh wait, scene. Yeah, okay. So I just need to pass. I'll just pass the whole damn event. The whole dang event. So instead of location, I want location event. Then E dot location. Then if E dot scene dot. Oh yeah, I made it private. Why did I make it private? Oops, public. Just don't want to be able to set it. I don't care. It's like managing private and public. If I was making an API, if I was working with other people, yeah, I get it. Everything can be public though. E.snap. If there is a snap location, then interior particle effect. I kind of don't even want to do this. Right. And there's a snap location. So if there's no snap location, then there's also no weather. Do I have to say not equals null, or can I just say it? I think I could just say it. Interior particle effect dot transform dot position equals dot position. Great. Done. None. All right. Let's test it. By testing it, so it's already going to be in roughly the right position. So let me put it in somewhere. Let me put it somewhere random. I'll put it like. I'll put them all the way back here. I'm all the way over here. I'll just put him at the origin, whatever. We're at the origin. They should turn off like immediately. Let me. I believe they start hidden. I will start them hidden. What is this static vegetation mat swapper? I know exactly what it is. Thank goodness for properly named things. I don't drink coffee, but does anyone get hungry after starting the day drinking a tall glass of water? Yeah. Hey, I'm hungry like 10 minutes after I wake up. Honestly, sometimes when I'm doing this stream, I'm painfully... You can hear my stomach growling, and I laugh every time. It's like, oh, I'm so hungry. I think introducing liquid to your stomach gets it churning, and then you just realize how hungry you are. Even if it's water, it doesn't even have to be caffeine. Oh. Need a massage. I haven't gotten a massage. I've gotten one massage in my life. I've never gotten one since. I should probably get them. It feels good. Squeezing my arm. Alright. Make it rain. Boom. I don't like how the fog takes a beat to snap on, but not too big a deal. Weather should never be changing while you're watching. Or maybe weather should just change, like maybe it's not like a full day thing. Maybe weather should just come and go. Alright, we got rain inside. It looks like it snapped. Let's go to a different interior and make sure. So this other interior shouldn't have snap location, so the interior weather should not turn on. See if that works. No errors, which is good. No weather. No weather, baby. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I love this scene. So many fun plants. Trying to start an inn. Wait, why is... Alright, so her quest is like kind of a secret. Undoable. Alright. He wants me to grow. I forgot there was more quests to do. I need an indicator. Okay. I need to indicate that these are enterable places. Do I want to have, like, you know, games do it, Mickey V! Another Mick? We had another Mick yesterday. How you doing, Mickey? What's the vibe of your game in a sentence or two? The vibe is a cozy, lo-fi nook in the mountains. Bam! Tuna with the game. Thank you. Welcome in, Mickey. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, trying to make a cozy game here. Super cozy. Googly eyes. Nick. Hope you're not trying to instigate anything. How are you doing, Mickey? Right now we're testing weather. Trying to get the weather to be inside. Ooh, that feels nice. Like, how cozy does that feel? The glowing lights. Maybe I'll make them more orange. I think the more orange they are, the more cozy they'll feel. Yeah. Like those street lights. Street lamp? What did I do? What did I call those things? Doing good, man. Looking good. Are you aiming for any particular feature or feature set to it apart? Well, I think the thing that sets me apart is that it's an in-sim. Like, the only other game that I've seen that does similar things is a game called Bear and Breakfast. And it's super cute. You build and decorate an inn. That's what Alpine Lake is. It's not a farm sim, it's an Innkeeper-Sim. So what sets it apart is, even from Bear and Breakfast, is that you can build any structure you want. It's kind of like The Sims in that way, where I can, I have these like 4 rooms here that I built super boring, just in a row like a motel. But you can build floors and walls, doors, however you like, windows, roofs, stairs. You can have 2-story buildings. So the building of an inn and defining the rooms and each guest that comes. So in Bear and Breakfast, it's like random guests and you can't really talk to them. They just are there. In this game, you could talk to them, and each guest is handcrafted and has their own personality, their own story. So it's, I'm not making anything crazy different. Small tweaks that hopefully I'll pay off. I'm trying to give it like the human touch. So I did want to see. Oh right, this whole time I wanted to make the street lamps more orange. They could be better. Lamp. Maybe I call them lamp posts. Lamp post. What did I call these things? Town scene. Gotta load up the town scene because I don't remember what I called the lamppost. Here's a nice fun view that you never get to see of town. What do I call you guys? Street lamp. Yeah, why didn't I? Street lamp. There you are. So, spotlight. Make you nice and orange. Yeah. Ooh, that's gonna feel good. Copy. I think the blend of the Sims-esque gameplay with the survival gathering aspect blends 2 genres in a way I haven't seen before. Nice. That's the goal. Something you've never seen before. But familiar. Still needs to be familiar. Okay, so I changed the light color, but now this color needs to. $27, 68, 68. I can remember that. 27, 68, 68. Why am I not copying and pasting that? Who knows? Oh, it already... Same material. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. What are we at? Oh my god, we're at 99. Almost at 100. That's crazy. Who will be the 100th follower? Nobody knows. Should I do something special at 100? Maybe I'll make the 100. Whoever's the 100th follower gets made in the game. I'm sorry that you can't be it. You're the 99th. I'm gonna unfollow, but then it might take a week. I get like 1 follow a week. So it might take a bit. What a cliffhanger. Maybe I won't do that. Unless my 100th follower is out there right now and already heard me and is contemplating, do I want to click that button or not? And maybe I just won't do it. I want to see the nice orange lights with the snow. I need more like pretty moments in the game. Sometimes I look at the game and I'm like, it's not pretty enough. It needs to be prettier. I've been working on it since July of 2020. So 3 years and 5 months? I think it's snow. Does it re-notify on an unfollow refollow? I think it does, but not in the same like day. That's a lot of snow. Is that too much snow? ZT! So definitely, I mean, yeah, it's been a while since he's done that. ZT might be my first follower. Let's see how nice it gets. All right, we got the lights turning on. Oh, they need to be volumetric in the night and when it's snowing, don't they? That's too much. Does anyone know when the snow starts in Animal Crossing? I have to set my clock. Make the windows glow. Oh, yeah. I should make these window materials time-based and they change to like orange randomly. Because a lot of these houses have that same window material. Oh, no, they're just a color. Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah, add it to the list. Where's the riffraff? Make windows. Time-based material. Turn on during the night. That's a good touch. Mikey baby. Honestly, I never finished making the buildings. Like, these were total temporary buildings. I don't have roof tiles on them. Where'd my smoke particle effects go? Does this one have it? Oh, this one has it. I always planned on like adding some simple roof tiles. Every time I attempted to make roof tiles, though, I hated them. I just never did it. Yeah, I guess I forgot to add that to the other house. Not every house needs chimney smoke, right? This one should have some kind of like smoke coming out too. All right. So weather, I think, is a good. I think we're good with weather. You know, I just need to add that like snap point to other interiors, like the garden shop. Gardening. Nope. Vic. What did I call it? Garden. Garden shop interior. Okay. So I'll add a snap point to her area, and that'll be good. She just needs a tiny one. Let's grab. Yeah, so I do want to make. We'll make this a prefab because it'll be easy to just grab and change. So scene systems, weather snap point. Put that in content. Prefabs. Town prefabs? No. Miscellaneous. Utility prefabs. That sounds like a great place to put a weather snap point. Then you can just search it. So if I ever want to add more functionality to this, I can. Oh boy, what have I done? Unload scene. I didn't do anything. Everything's fine. Nothing to freak out about. Just need to add this to the center here. Snap. Make this what, like 6 and 4? Might be right. Actually can't tell. Can I add 2 box colliders? I can. So... Oh, I'm so stupid. Why am I adding 2 box colliders? I could just make this one really big. There we go. So now weather can't even enter the building. Impossible. And since I made it a prefab, I can just do this. 4, 9. There we go. Then weather snap point 4, 9. Yep. Here we go. This should be 6. Look at that. Perfect. Lines up to all the corners, like 100%. Great. Now this warp location gets the snap point. Are there any other interiors that are building interiors that should get this? Oh yes, the visitor center. Visitors center. Interior. That in here. The visitor center is kind of big, but no worries. Load. There's snap point. Oh, that's annoying. So it's not a square. That's annoying. What I could do is just make 2 snap points and it'll snap to this one. And I just need colliders there. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. No, nothing to freak out about. Please, chat, stop freaking out. All right, 12, 15, 20. How big are you? 22? Yeah, you are. 8. No, 6. Perfect. Wow, just lines up beautifully. So I'll just make 2 of these. Then I'll have another one down here. That's 4, 3. Perfect. Now they cover all the ground. And so the weather will snap to this one, but this one will just be there to catch snow that falls on the floor there. Okay, I think those are all my interiors that weather should exist in. Unload scene. Let's check it out. I'll just look through all my scenes. Town hall. Tutorial apartment. I don't think I'm doing that anymore. Visitor center. I was gonna have a tutorial like to teach you the controls. You basically start the game in your New York City apartment or wherever, like some kind of major city apartment, and you just learn to walk around and interact with things and pick items up. It was basically just gonna be like your maybe your roommate like saying goodbye to you and just saying, hey, don't forget to pick up that box in the corner, that's yours. You go pick up the box, then you leave, and that's it. You know how to move, you know how to pick stuff up, and then that kickstarts the game. And I was gonna leave like little clues in the room that you can interact with that tell you basically what's going on, like I don't know, a flyer that's like the sale flyer of the inn that you bought, stuff like that, cute stuff. But I didn't end up doing that. 3,000 miles to Alpine Lake. Oh god. That's true. Yeah, don't do that idea, right, Gonzi? No, too similar. How are you? Good morning. Welcome in. Guys, we have 99 followers out of 100. What happens at 100? Do I just explode? Like physically? Blow up on camera? Who knows? I will say that for those of you who have no idea who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm a VFX artist by trade, but I also make games on the side. I've been working on Alpine Lake, which is an indie, an in-sim game. Thank you, Ganzi. Feel free to wishlist it on Steam. And like watch the trailer in a bit. I do need to update the trailer. Please feel free to check it out, give it a wish list. I'm here twice a week. Usually, I'm here on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but today is different because I have something to do tomorrow. So since I can't stream tomorrow, I'm here today. That's the game. It's an Innkeeper-Sim. Life sim, Innkeeper-Sim. Cozy. Lo-fi. So I think we're all done with interior weather. Do it. Mark it. Let's see. Turn off weather effects indoors or limit it to the other boundaries. We did both. Return to Eugene. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Okay. Doors and floors and interiors need sound effects. Yes, they do. Yes, we can. That should be really easy. That's super easy. Barely an inconvenience. Oh, I haven't seen that guy in a while. Does he still make videos? I forget his name. All I need to do is grab the foundation. Whatever makes this have sound effects. Footstep sound effects wood. I just need to put this on all of the game objects, all the flooring. So I have floor garden shop. Okay, here's all the interior prefab. So floor garden shop needs this wood. Pop in here. Why can't I see the box collider? That's unusual. I am going to wrap it up in about 15 to 20 minutes. If I can just knock this off my list, that's another great thing. Where's the dang box collider? I can't see it. Well, I know it's 1 by 1 by 0? What? And it's rotated 90 degrees? What? Why? I can empty my cans out twice in 15 minutes. What cans? Do a turkey theme something to send us off into the holiday weekend? Do it. I've seen him empty cans. What are you talking about? What is he talking about? So why is this rotated 90 degrees? This is crazy. What is happening? You know what? Let's delete. I'm gonna grab wood. Step wood. Bring that in. Clean. Oh, it's still weird. Oh, it's because it's in a layer that's not visible. Jeez. No primary visibility. Bonk. There we go. Now I just need to make this 2 by 2. Perfect. I don't know why I have it rotated 90 degrees, and I'll never know why. MP! This is a surprise. You mean this happening today? All right, so that's all I need. I just need those sound effects, and then I need to go to the floor town hall. Oops, floor. We'll go back to the garden shop. Up And then town hall. I don't have a flooring. Visitor center. I didn't make flooring prefabs. Ugh, what is wrong with me? Load scene. Are these not prefabs? Did I just copy and paste? I just have ground tiles here. That's okay. I'm okay with this. Done. They all have it. It's easy as copy and paste. No primary visibility. Yeah. Okay. Floors. Text. That's great. Nobody. The wood goes marching 2 by 2. It does go marching 2 by 2. Yes. Nobody told you. You should be getting an email every time I go live. Also, I'm not here to fuck you to tell you to watch. You watch on your own, your own volition. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I do love it when you guys are here. Thank you. I love hanging out with you. It's fantastic. All right, we can knock another thing off our list. Almost. So the door sound effects. I need to put the door sound effects in. Which is odd because all I did was copy and paste that whole system. Now, where's the sound effect? I think it's this. It is these none objects. What if I want to watch on Sunday at 6 p.m.? You can. You just won't be live. You should have a pre-set up themes for parties so that someone can declare a holiday, and then those pre-set up, pre-chosen decorations will be set up around the town. So if you want like a Halloween type holiday, you define the day, and then it happens that day. Please don't report me for no reason. That's not a bad idea, Mike. That's might be a little difficult because stuff happens randomly, and what if the player overlaps with something that happens randomly? I like that idea. I'm not. It's a little too much for me right now. Too much. Let me open up the door. Build door. Wood. So standalone audio sources. It's these. I need to copy and paste these into the town hall door. Boom. Okay, we have the audio. Now I need to trigger them, right? And to trigger them, it's whatever this is. So on enter is basically the open noise, right? And on close is the close noise. Standalone audio source. Play clip. Standalone audio source. Play clip. That's it. So I have other doors though. I should make this a prefab instance everywhere so I don't have to do this a bunch, but oh wait, actually I don't even have doors everywhere. Visitor center does have doors. This is an instance, prefab instance. Okay, so maybe I only have to do it here. Trigger event. Oh, it looks like I caught that here and I didn't add it, so. Trigger event. Player only. Bonk bonk. On enter. Play open noise. On close. Play close noise. I really should put this in the animation because there's a chance that something messed up happens and the sound effect plays, but the door doesn't open. Maybe I'll have to configure the animator to just always do the thing, you know? Never fail. Play clip. Play clip. Great. Let's, I don't have doors in any other interiors right now. Let's test it. Oh my god, Thanksgiving is coming. So Thanksgiving I feel like is a little controversial in my household. I love Thanksgiving food. My wife does not like Thanksgiving food. She thinks it's just tradition and all garbage. Turkey is terrible. Stuffing is terrible. Mashed potatoes and marshmallows, disgusting. Or sweet potato casserole with marshmallows on top, disgusting. I'll agree, that's kind of gross. Alright, I want to test the audio. Wives are not boring. Alright, got footsteps. Ganzi, second to arrive. Welcome. Thought I was alone there for a sec. Nick. No. Jesus Christ, Nick. Oh my god. Chill. We got door noises. Nick, you gotta chill. And that's kind of hateful, so I just gotta clean you up real quick. It's kind of hateful. Please. Alright. I know, Nick. I'm sure that was very upsetting. Sorry. Had to be done. Very socially acceptable to be alone. That is not what you said. Alright, moving on. It's all good. I made a cherry amaretto cheesecake. Ooh. That sounds really good. Oh, that's no good. Look at that line. Just one thing, not aligned. Fix that. And I can knock this off the list. So add sound effects. Boom. Ooh, look at this. I love all these check marks. I love it. Using a food processor for the first time, game changing. You've never used a food processor? Like, you've never used a food processor before in your entire life? Or are you just saying you never used it before to make a cheesecake? You've never used one before. Oh man, so many firsts. Late bloomer over here. You're always surprising us with the things that you do for the first time. We just got one for the wedding. Game changer. Yeah, food processors are great. What is that? What is this? It's just like so many objects here. Ooh, music. Back. All right, so we did a lot today, and I might want to call it. What exactly what is I in the middle of doing? But it's the only way to make latkes. Latkes. Unless you want to break your hands, arms, and spend 3 days. I've made latkes by hand with the shredder. Just like shred. It's painful. It takes a while. Shredding raw potatoes, not fun. I made them for Mary's parents last year, and they're obsessed. That's great. Yeah, it sucks. Get a good workout. Ibida. Ibida? Are you being Andy Kaufman from Taxi? Ibida. Oh, love Andy Kaufman. Nice. Right. The list. What was I doing? Gonzi, can you make sure your brother's okay? You know, I didn't want to hurt his feelings, but inappropriate. Indicate when you can enter doors. So maybe I'll just do a quickie quickie little effect. Or should I do something turkey themed? I did something Halloween themed on Halloween. I should do something turkey themed. Do I have a turkey? Do I have a turkey animal? I have a prop turkey. It's look at this thing. Do turkey. I could do better, right? I mean, what is even adding turkey? I'm not gonna add a turkey animal. It's take me like days. Model and animate. If I just want to add a turkey item, it's not fun. What can I add? What can I truly add? That'll make this nice. Oh, you know what I could do? I want to make a particle effect that's like fall leaves falling from the trees. Maybe I'll do that. Does that sound fun? Fall leaves falling from the trees? Okay. Thank you. As long as you love it. Perfect. Alright, so let's grab a tree. So oak trees. I'll grab an oak tree. Readable oak tree. Do a great pumpkin. That's giant pumpkin. I mean, I like the idea that like mystical stuff grows in the forest. Giant pumpkins like that. Giant mushrooms, but not right now. So grow degradable. Where is it? No, these are the seeds. I need the tree foliage prefabs? Okay. So, I don't have oak trees here. Maple trees. Yeah. So a maple tree will also have leaves fall. I think I have leaf. If I sort by particle effect. No, don't open you. Sort by particle effect, I might have one. So it would be a prefab. Falling leaves. Check it out. Where is it? Oh god, it's so high up. So this seems to be like a global effect. Also the outlines, I can't see it. Can I not have selection outlines? Yeah. So do I want every tree to individually drop leaves? Or do I just want a global effect that's like rain, you know? I think I want a global effect that's like rain, but it's leaves. Let me test this out. Yeah. Global, right? Global. Hells yeah. Okay. I'm glad you all agree. I can make a new weather effect. I haven't made a new weather effect. Let's get falling leaves in here. And I actually want to make my own effects prefab. Where are my weather effect prefabs? Oh my god. Anze. At least you won't get as hurt as Nick, hopefully. Ah, Nick, you're back. I'm glad. I think just leaves on the ground. So I'm wondering, oh my god. I just looked at the homepage of Twitch and ridiculous. I don't know how they get away with that stuff. Here we have giant oak trees, and the daycare kids got in trouble for hucking acorns at each other. There are like 20,000 acorns in there. Oh my god. I used to pick up acorns and rocks when I was in middle school. Or no, elementary school. I'd pick up acorns and rocks on the way to the bus. I'd get on the bus. Then I'd throw acorns and rocks out the window at cars. That was horrible. I can't believe I did that. If I saw a kid doing that today, I would freak out and call that kid a piece of crap. And I can't believe they're doing this. And who raised them? And I did that, so. I was an awful kid. What a turnaround. I keep telling Amanda, like, I never got in trouble. I was such a good kid. And she's like, I don't believe you. I think you were not. And that might be the worst thing I've ever done. Well, we know who raised you. Who raised me? Is there some lore that I'm forgetting? Did she know you were doing hard drugs at 9? That's not true. Not true. Okay, what am I doing? Where are these effects? So, rain simple. Select. It's in... Oh, it's still here. I never made my own. Okay, let's just throw it in effects prefabs. I want an original prefab. Falling leaves. Oh, I hate this error. I don't know what it is, and it's only when this prefab preview window's open. Horrible. Why is this rotated? I wasn't offered drugs until I was 34! Oh, funny. Oh, 10? Do not do drugs. Yes, NASA creep. Jeez, do not do drugs. Thank you. That bit of wisdom. So when should leaves fall? I want a falling leaves fall and a falling leaves spring. And for spring, I want like colored leaves. Falling leaves fall. Select. Maybe I'll make a little folder here called weather. Oh god, Unity, don't crash on me now. Okay, save. Falling leaves. Get in there. Okay, so I have fall clear, fall rain. So my weather system is horrible. It relies on an enums. Maybe fall clear. Particle effect. Maybe I have a chance of particle effect. Like I have this cloud chance and cloud coverage. Maybe I do a chance of a particle effect. Maybe it's an array. 99, been a while. Anything new that's a big game changer? I wouldn't say anything's like drastically new, but I think we're making really good progress on getting to the demo. So something's parsing in the background and I can't find it. What is parsing? Oh, I don't know. Something's indexing. It's whenever I open this stupid search bar. It indexes my entire project and it closes everything down. Give him a follow and you'll find out. 99's been a follower for a while. 99 followers. 99M6. Look at that. Perfect timing. Give him a finals in 2 weeks. Busy with school stuff. Good luck. School sucks, but you're gonna kick it. School does not suck. School rocks. Got 99 followers, but an M6 ain't one. M6 is one for me. I got 99 followers, and an M6 is just one. Do you think we'll hit 100 followers by the end of this stream, which I need to end right now? Who knows? I will call it right now. Falling leaves. I'll have to get working some other time. I need to wrap it up. I have to drive to the. Maybe I'll spend 5 minutes telling you what I got to do right now. I got to drive to the Japanese embassy and submit my official visa application, which is ready for submission. And it's a little anxiety provoking because they take your passport and they physically take your passport. And I am going to Japan in 2 weeks to look for apartments. They promise that they will get back your passport. They mail it back to you overnight in 5 business days, within 5 business days. And it's 2 weeks until I go. And there's 7 or 8 business days until I go. Do you think I'm screwed? Like, am I gonna not get my passport back by the time the flight comes around? But I need to, because I have to get my application approved before I enter Japan, and I only have 3 months from the time it's approved. And the next time I'm going is in March. And that's more than 3 months away. So if I don't get it approved for this December trip, then I have to reapply. And if you don't get your passport, you come back to New York? No. Curdy Bear! What part of Japan are you moving to? Tokyo. What? You're leaving in 2 weeks? I mean, I'm just going to find an apartment. School sucks, do drugs, but wait till you're 34. No. School rocks, drugs suck, and never do them. Or try them once when you're responsible. Stop doing them. I don't condone doing drugs. Do not do drugs. That's cutting it so close. I know, right? So what I need to do, as an Asian, 20 plus papers for finals, not fun at all. 3 languages, 4 papers each, 2 science subjects, 3 papers each, 2 math, 2 papers each, and a few other more papers. Oh my god, that is giving me anxiety. Woo! I still to this day have nightmares about not finishing homework, losing my class schedule, can't find my classes, huge papers that I just didn't write. Like, I would drop out immediately. You can do it, 99. I have faith in you. I believe in you. Let's find someone to raid. We'll get out of here. I'll do my thing. We'll come back next week. Let's go to Red Cabin. He was nice to raid us the other day. We'll go back to him. Can I just like do this here? Raid. Did it work? It worked. Perfect. I need 100 followers. I'll get it next time. It'll be annoying because I'll probably get 100 followers off stream. It happens all the time. But thank you everyone for hanging out. My name is Andrew. I'm working on Alpine Lake. Please feel free to wishlist it. I'm here Tuesdays and Thursdays normally. I'm not here this Thursday because I got something to do that I just described, but I'll be here next Tuesday. Thank you all for hanging out, and I love you all. And yeah, have a good Thanksgiving. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, have a good weekend. In general. We got ripped off this week. What do you mean? I did 2 streams. Join you after if I can. Thanks, 99. Yep. Take it easy, everyone. Bye-bye.